I'm in first down here. Still in park right there. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, or as always, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm gonna be fixing a very common problem on the Jeep. So let me hop in there and show you guys what it's doing. Okay, so here we are on the Jeep. Now, the other day, me and the wife hopped in here to head to the store and went to leave, and this is what happened. I'm in first down here, still in park right there. No matter what I shift it to, reverse, still park. Let's drive, still park. So it's actually a really simple fix and really cheap too. So I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that today. So let's hop up under the Jeep, because that's where the problem is, and I'll show you guys how to replace it. Okay, so here we are under the Jeep. That is the transmission pan, front drive shaft. So our problem is gonna be right there. I don't know if you can see the shifter linkage, but it's not attached to anything. And that is because there's a little clip in there that's broken and not attached. So what you gotta do is replace that clip. Feel in there. It's real easy. It's just right here. Now, if your transmission is not already in park, you can grab the little tab up in there where you can feel like the shifter selector, and you can just push it either which way. Okay, well, everything that could possibly be in the way is in the way. So there it is right there. That's the shifter selector. And if you see that black thing right there, you've got the little metal rod that's gonna go to it. So the clip on mine is already broken. There's really nothing for me to take out. If yours is still in there but just kind of partially broken, you have to push it out. It's really not hard. You can just do it with your finger. But I'm gonna get to putting in the new one. So this little guy right here is the cause of all of our problems. So all we got to do is slip this back into the shifter selector. There's a ring on the end of it. I'll try to show you guys when I get in there and put it in, but it's real simple. And yeah, then our Jeep should be shifting like normal and everything. Now, if you buy one of these kits, bought this one off Amazon, it's in like a 2-pack. I think it's like 20 bucks for a 2-pack of them. I suggest buying more than one, because it will probably break again eventually. So, you know, if it broke like ours did, then there's no hooking it back up. You'll just have to keep hopping up under the Jeep to shift and do all that. So I suggest buying the 2-pack. But here it is. It comes with a installation tool where you'll just put the end of it in. I have to shove it down, but you get the gist. You'll just put the end of it in, push, and then it just makes it that much easier to install on the Jeep, like so. So you get to putting this thing in. Alright, and how this guy's gonna go in, if you're looking at the shifter linkage that's actually attached to the transmission, it points straight down. So your cable's gonna be like side to side, and it's gonna go up into it. And you're gonna push this in through the bottom, reach up to the top, and then just pull it out, this red piece, and then it should install your bushing onto your cable. So let's hop up under the Jeep and see if I can't show you guys me actually putting that in. Okay, so that little white clip in there, that's gonna be it installed. I actually kind of found that just pushing that little white clip, at least in my case, was a little easier than using that install tool. I couldn't pull it out once I got it up through there, but it's attached, and I'm gonna go back up in Jeep, put it into gear, see if it works. All right guys, so here we are, moment of truth in the Jeep. That, park, reverse, neutral, drive, 2, 1. You actually get a solid clicking noise now. Do it a couple times, make sure it's not gonna pop out. All right, so that's really it. Sorry I couldn't show you guys a little more depth of me actually putting it in there. Like I said, it's real tight. Can't really show too much. I don't have anything to go up in there. But it's simple. You just feel around up in there and just shove it on through. And then when you go to clip it up onto the linkage, it just pops right on. So it's really that simple. So if you ever get stranded anywhere and that's happened to you, don't freak out. It's not expensive. Your transmission didn't blow up. You just gotta replace that clip. And this happened to me once before when we first got it. So this is the second time replacing that. And when it happened to us the first time, we were actually at a creek. So I mean, I just hopped up under it, shifted it manually up under it to reverse drive, whatever we needed. And then when we got home, I put it back in park. So even if you're out somewhere, you can get up under it and shift it manually. So don't worry about, you know, having to get a tow truck, anything like that. But that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. That's really all I wanted to show you. I had to replace it anyways, figured I'd help somebody out if this is happening to them. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. I've actually got another thing going on with Jeep that I'm probably actually gonna start filming right after this, maybe not, but stay tuned for that. It's real exciting. Follow me on all my socials, Instagram, Facebook, my channel email if you need to contact me for any reason at all. Comment any questions, concerns you have with anything that I did. I'll answer them to the best of my ability as always. I hope this video helps you guys out. I'm gonna wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.